Landing page is very important in order to generate leads or capture the leads. And before going ahead, what is landing page? Landing page is basically page where you will capture the leads, where the leads in the sense the email IDs of the visitors, so that you can convert the visitor into traffic, the cold traffic into a customer. This is the strategy what every affiliate marketers use. In this video I'll show you how you can create a landing page from scratch and how you can integrate opt-in in the sense by delivering some value, maybe an ebook or maybe anything. By delivering some value, you are attracting the email IDs of your customers, of your prospective visitors, so that you can sell multiple affiliate products, and by sending emails to them, to the prospective customer. This is very important. And yes, there is a phrase what is called as money is in the list. Yes, this is very important in order to become a professional affiliate marketer, or maybe if you want to run for a long term in the same business, then this is very important to collect the leads. Doesn't matter whatever niche you have, doesn't matter for how long, what is the plan. If you want to grow your business, this is very important to generate your leads, to collect your leads. If YouTube decides to ban your YouTube channel, maybe if Instagram decides to block your Instagram page, then what you will do? You will have the leads in the sense you will have the emails, so that you can retarget, so that you can build again a brand around your product, around your services. And this is very important part of affiliate marketing. And yes, money is in the list. So those people who are watching me for the very first time, I want to welcome you guys. I am Tapesh from tapeshchowdhury.com, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and various other cool ways by which you can generate good amount of money by sitting at home. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you people subscribe and also press on bell icon, so that whenever I release new videos, I can send notification to you people. So without making delay, let's jump into my computer, and I'll show you exactly step-by-step process what you have to do and how you can create a professional landing page. So let's get started. Alright guys, in this part I'll show you exactly how you can create your first landing page and the basic principle how email marketing things works. Okay, and yes, I'll take you through everything what is necessary in order to create your first landing page and email sequence, so that you can generate good amount of money with the help of affiliate marketing and by doing simple email marketing. Okay, and yes, everything will be free of cost. At the end of the video you will be able to create a landing page like this page. So say something, for example, for this particular video I'm creating a landing page by which I am giving a free affiliate marketing mastery ebook, and also I'm giving a free course of affiliate marketing. Okay, so I'll take you every single thing and I'll show you exactly how I have built this page and how I have connected my email sequence, email marketing tool. For this whole tutorial I'll use one website, that is Mailchimp. And yes, before going ahead into the technical terms, I'll just give you one rough overview how things works. Okay, so initially in order to create a landing page, initially you have to give a freebie. So you have to give a free bribe or something like that. Maybe it can be an ebook, it can be a free course, it can be a PowerPoint presentation, or it can be any free kind of report. Now question is, why we are giving free bribe? So we are giving free bribe so that the customer, the visitor, they can give their email address and it will be our asset. This is where email list takes place, because email list is only with you. And yes, if you lose every single thing also, then also you can create your business with the help of email list. Okay, so in order to create email list, we used to give some bribe to the customers, to the visitors, so that they take our ebook or maybe any of the course or whatever on behalf of their email. Okay, so we will give them some bribe and we will drive them into an opt-in page. So this, as I said, this is my opt-in page, and I have given the bribe of free affiliate marketing ebook and free affiliate course. So this is kind of bribe, and it's depending on the niche, maybe you can give some other things as well. with the help of drive you will bring the customer to the opt-in page. So this is the opt-in page where I'll bring my customers, and after that whenever anyone comes to my landing page, this is the landing page basically. Okay, once they fill up their first name and email address, they will get one confirmation email on the email address. This is called as double opt-in. Okay, and double opt-in is very important if you want to keep your email list to the very targeted to the very generic. Then it will be very helpful if you just opted for double opt-in. Okay, so and thing is that after that, once anyone clicks on the confirmation email and they have subscribed to my email list, and I'll get one more confirmation that these people has subscribed, and after that I can send them to my target page. So what is target page? Basically, if I have a product, maybe as I said, I am giving them a free affiliate marketing course and as well as ebook. So my target page will be the page of the course. Okay, so after they complete their sign up process, then I'll send them to my course page where they can take the course. Okay, and one more thing, whenever anyone will sign into my opt-in page, basically this page, whenever they will give their email address and first name, so they will be automatically added to my email sequence. And yes, after that they will automatically get some of the follow-up series, or maybe if I want to upsell my course or maybe anything, they will get my email thing. And understand one thing, this is very much passive because you will create your email sequence once, and this is kind of you can say set up and forget type of business. Maybe it will take a couple of hours of time to create your first email sequence, but once you are done with the part, you can forget everything. Yes, if you need to edit something here and there, then you can do. There is nothing to worry. And as I said, email sequence automatically the system will work for you. You don't have to regularly send emails. And yes, if you want to broadcast emails, if you want to make something aware of your maybe a process update or maybe some new updates, whatever you want to give, you can broadcast to your clients, to your customers. And this is how email marketing lead generation things work. Okay, so as I said initially, we will be using mailchimp because most of the people, they don't want to invest money, or maybe they don't have money. Thing is that if you have little bit amount of money, it will be easier for you if you want to scale your business. Okay, and if I show you the pricing, they're offering email marketing services or maybe creating of landing pages services for free of cost. You don't have to pay any penny, or maybe you don't have to invest, you don't have to give the credit card credentials or something like that, and you will be getting nearly around 2000 amount of leads. So up to 2000 amount of leads, in the sense you can generate up to 2000 amount of leads. And yes, those people who don't have any money, for them 2000 lead is a little bit enough. Okay, so as I said, I have already logged into my account, mailchimp account, and after that I have to go to my dashboard. So in order to go to dashboard, I am clicking on that dashboard part, and this is how the dashboard looks. And after that I have to click on create campaign. And yes, understand one thing, I will be creating this kind of landing page. So in order to create this landing page, simply click on create campaign, and you will be having one option as landing page. Just click on landing page, give the name to landing page. So maybe something I am creating a landing page for my course, so I'll be giving the landing page of name as WordPress free course. Okay, or something like that, you can figure it out. And after that you have to select a list. So as of now I have one list, that is the list is under name of Tapesh Chowdhury. And yes, understand one thing, you can customize the name of the leads. I have not even customized, so that's okay. You can create if you have multiple lists, you can select whatever list you want. Then I have given the name of landing page WordPress free course, because I have a course what I want to upsell. So initially I am giving them free value. Then if anyone is interested, the whole thing will be worked by automation, and the concerned person, if they are interested after free course, then they can enroll for my premium course of WordPress. Okay, so once I click on landing page, it will redirect to this page, and here you can see there are different kind of templates, different kind of things, or what is already present. Maybe if you want to accept payments, maybe if you want to lead generation, maybe if you want to sell any of the product or maybe promote your products. For this particular video we will be using grow your list, because we are trying to generate leads for our business. We are trying to grow our list, and this is how we can create our list for free of cost. And I'll show you exactly how we can do that. And we will be creating website landing page like this, and this is how things works. Okay, so initially you have to give the logo. And yes, I'm talking about this page. I'm creating opt-in page right now, and I'll show you every single thing how it works. Okay, so make sure you people watch the full video so that you can get the whole amount of value. So initially, in order to click on the change the logo, just click on replace, and you will be able to upload your images. If you don't have any image, you can create your own image or maybe logo, and after that you can just drag and drop. In order to change the headline, you have to click on this pen button, then you have to click here and you can change your headline. So for this purpose we don't need any of the section. You can simply delete, and if you want you can add some other sections as well, maybe image, maybe divider, maybe product group, social icons, anything. Okay, and this is how here you can just give your details of email address or something. Simply click on this edit button, and if you need first name, last name, address, phone number, whatever. So for this particular video I want to keep it very simple and short. And yes, landing page should be very simple and short, so that the people who has visited, they don't get any option to navigate on other parts of your website. So make it very simple and short. Okay, and after the save and continue. And here, from here you can change the background image. If you want to change the image, simply click on image, and here you can drag and drop, or maybe you can upload any of the image. I have already chosen image for my video, and I have to select the image, and after that you have to click on insert, and it will automatically, the image will automatically go in the background, and it looks a little bit awesome as of now. After that, if you want, you can just simply give your social sharing links. And if you don't want, as I said, I don't want my visitor to go another pages apart from filling up their information, maybe email address and full name or first name, whatever. This is what my criteria. Okay, so after that you have to click on save and continue, save and close. So it will redirect to, it will save this whole project, and after that you have to give your URL. Okay, and yes, one more thing, you have to give your page title and URL. As I am creating this particular landing page for my WordPress course, so simply you have to click on add page title, and you have to simply give it whatever your title is. Then after that you have to select your URL. So what is URL? Says something, for example, here I have given free affiliate marketing course, and this will be by default. Okay, so if you take the premium membership, then this will not come, or else you can also connect your domain. But still, as I said, I'll be using everything for free of cost. So as I said, this will be their main domain, and something after that, some codes will generally randomly generate by the system, and after that the URL will be a free WordPress course. And after that I have to select on save button. It will create the this is the URL of this particular landing page. You have to click on publish, and once you click on publish, it will redirect to this page. Here they will say high five. Oh baby, high five. Alright, so we have already created our landing page for free of cost. So this will be the landing page. As I said, here you can download. Oh, I need to change this to WordPress. Anyways, so this is how the landing page will look like. Here you can generate, grab email address and first name. So this is the URL. You can promote this URL to your website, or maybe to YouTube channel, or maybe Instagram, wherever you are promoting your stuff. Okay, so after that, so as I said, I will be also delivering this thing, maybe a free affiliate marketing course, or maybe a free affiliate ebook. Okay, so how I can do that? So once this now landing page already created, now we have to deliver the free stuff as committed. As I said, I will be delivering a free course as well as free ebook. So after you create your landing page, you have to simply go to sequence. You have to simply review emails. Okay, so review emails in the sense people has already signed up over here, and you have to give them one confirmation email that has a hi, thank you for joining my email list, here is your free ebook or something like that. Okay, in order to create a sequence, then you have to click on edit delay, and here you have to give, you can maybe after 1 hour or after 6 hour or something like that, and here you can change the subject. For example, if anyone has joined me over here, and immediately I'll be sending one email: hi, thank you for joining my course, here is your free ebook or something like that. You can just say to the prospective customer, prospective buyers, and after that you can just give them a link. Okay, so say I have already drafted the email over here, and I have to just simply click on this particular pen button, and I can simply give them some my free course or something like that. Now, as I said, I'll be also giving them one free ebook. So I have already downloaded the ebook, and I have uploaded this ebook to my Google Drive, and after that you have to simply upload anywhere. It can be Sky Drive or Google Drive, anywhere. So you have to make this create a link of this particular ebook, then you have to simply copy this link, and you can give this, as I said, in order to download the ebook, just click here, simply you can hyperlink to this particular URL. So if anyone, understand one thing, after anyone signs up, they will get immediately this email, and they can download the ebook from here. And yes, as I said, after clicking on that, they will be redirecting to this page. So I am sending my confirmation email, and they're able to download my ebook. I am giving one value over here, and after that I am sending the traffic to my free course affiliate course program, where they will get one more value. And also I have to sequence my emails, and I have to sequence my follow-up series. In order to create your affiliate email sequence and follow-up series, maybe if you want to upsell, in order to create email sequence, you have to create an email automation. So here you will get one automation builder, and in the stop bar somewhere you will get one option as of automation. Yeah, here audience, and if you click on audience, then you have to create this automation. And once you click on automation email, so welcome new subscribers, and here you will get different kind of e-commerce sequence. You can simply customize your something like, maybe as I am creating for my WordPress course, so I can simply just type as per your requirement, as per your need, and you can simply click on the automation begins. Okay, so what automation will help you, whenever they will give your details, they will give you email address, they will immediately get confirmation, and they will be in the automation sequence. And you can simply click on automation, and you can simply, maybe after 1 hour, maybe after 1 day, you can simply create your automation. Here you have to give it, say for example, I want to send it after 1 day, then save. Then here you have to create your content, you have to simply edit your design. You can simply design multiple things, multiple emails. They have already given the design and layout. If you don't want, you can simply just take it, drag and drop from here, and you can simply add your design and layout, and you can create sequence. This is how you can become a professional affiliate marketer, and everywhere this is very important. As I said, building a list is very important, and with the help of landing pages you can create your email list which is yours completely. So doesn't matter whatever happens your business in later future, but list is with you, and they are trusted audience are with you. And there are different other page builders, the landing page builders like lead pages, or maybe Builderell, or maybe ClickFunnels. So this is simple thing what you have to do. According to me, you should try every single free tool, so that your mind will go to different tools, and obviously you will be able to learn how you can implement the same on your particular business. So I hope I was able to clear the concept how you can create landing page and how you can use for affiliate marketing campaigns. And let me know if you have any concerns in the comment section below. Also, if you need any help, you can reach me out on Instagram. I'll try my level best to help out you people. And also, if I was able to give a value in this video, make sure you people like, and also if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you people subscribe and press on the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. I'll meet you in the next video. Have a great day.